Hi guys! Have you ever tried na na-delete mo yung photos, yung videos, yung files, yung documents mo sa iyong computer or cellphone accidentally and hindi mo alam kung paano i-retrieve ito? Then this video is perfect for you. Let me introduce you a new software from iMyPhone which is AnyRecover.
Ano ang AnyRecover? Ang AnyRecover ay isang data recovery software for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, wherein you can restore deleted files from recycle bin, HDD, SSD, USB, SD card, and etc. It also recovers deleted documents, pictures, videos, emails, and other files in just one click. Retrieve lost data due to formatting, deleting, OS crash, virus, backup, and etc. And repair corrupted photos, videos, and documents with file repair features. So paano gamitin ang iMyPhone AnyRecover? Just go to your computer and search AnyRecover and click the first link. Now, click Try It Free to download and install. After the installation, you have to create an account and you can avail their plans. They have 1 month license, 1 year, and a lifetime license along with its price. Here, in the software, makikita natin ang home, PC and hard drive recovery, iPhone recovery, and more tools. Now, I will delete a file from my PC. And to recover that deleted file we have to click PC and hard drive recovery. And let's select local disk or desktop. Then now, hayaan nyo lang na mag-scan. And after scanning, we can see here all the deleted files. We have the photo, video, documents, archive, email, and other. Since it is a document file, just click Document and select that deleted file and click Recover and save it to the folder where you want to save it. Another example that I will show you is let's recover a deleted photo from a flash drive. Here, I will delete this photo and let's go back to the software. And let's click PC and hard drive recovery. Then select your flash drive. Ngayon, hayaan lang ulit natin na mag-scan. And after scanning, find the deleted photo, select it, and then click Recover and save it to the folder where do you want to save it. The process is the same if you have files that you want to recover from your USB and SD card. Also, you can recover files from your iOS devices. Just connect the phone on your computer and do the process. Furthermore, we all know a dashcam of our vehicle is very important. Dashcam is also known as driving recorder, car camera, or car DVR, is one of the most essential car accessories to record road events. Now the question is, can a deleted dashcam footage be recovered? The simple answer to this question is yes. Before showing how to recover deleted dashcam videos, we must first understand how a dashcam works and why your dashcam footage was lost. Dashcams are fitted on the windscreen or dashboard of a vehicle and are powered by a cigarette lighter or the car's fuse box. Immediately you start the car, the dashcam begins to record videos in short clips and saves them to the memory card inserted in it. These videos can be saved in several formats such as MP4, AVI, M4V, MOV, and similar formats compatible with most computer video players. Why your dashcam videos get lost? As highlighted earlier, dashcams save video recordings in the inserted SD card. Unfortunately, these cards are prone to data loss. Footage from the dashcam SD cards can get lost due to the following factors. The SD card sustains physical damage. The SD card was inserted into a virus-infected device. You remove the SD card while the dash camera is still recording. The SD card memory got filled up and still tasked to record new footage. And bad blocks on the SD card which are caused when you exceed the read-write cycle limit. Now, how to recover lost or deleted dashcam footage? There are several ways to recover deleted dashcam videos. You can do it manually or with the help of dashcam recovery software. Manual methods must be performed by seasoned techies at a very high cost, while specialized video recovery software allows you to recover or download lost Tesla dashcam footage in just a few clicks, while specialized video recovery software allows you to recover or download lost Tesla dashcam footage in just a few clicks on your own. In this regard, the application used by industry experts is AnyRecover. The process is the same on the first part of this video. Just download AnyRecover on your computer and connect the SD card to the system. Then, launch AnyRecover and select your SD card in the External Removable Devices tab. Then, click on Start for the program to scan your SD card. The time it takes to scan the SD card depends on the volume of data. Next, AnyRecover will search for your lost videos and display them in an organized way. Select the video you want and hit the recover button. And lastly, after recovery, if the file is damaged or cannot be opened, click Detect Broken Video or go to the Video Repair module from the home page. Within a few minutes, the broken or corrupted files will be repaired.
So ayun guys, based on my experience using the software, I can say that it is very useful kasi nare-retrieve natin yung mga deleted and corrupted files easily. So all you have to do now is to click the link in the description box for you to download and install the software. So that's it. Bye!